Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 66. Like all other videos of the series, this also an exercise video specially designed for beginners. In this SolidWorks video tutorial, I will solve the exercise number 66. Hope you will learn with fun and stay connected with us by simply subscribing my channel. Today I will show you the use of various SolidWorks tools like line command, rectangle command, smart dimension, extrude command, circle command, and extruded cut command. We will use 4 sketches, 1 extrude cut, and 3 extrude commands for completing this SolidWorks 2020 tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the right side view, and extrude. Then we will do another sketch and extrude cut. Then we will do 2 more sketches and do extrude for completing today's part. Hope you will enjoy and stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on right plane and select Sketch. Now we will sketch the right side view of this portion.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 20 millimeters. Width is 30 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Length is 100 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now we will cut this portion. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 80 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters. Distance is 20 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
From Featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Reverse direction. From the drop-down menu select Through All.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select Isometric View. Now we will make this portion. Left-click on this surface and select Sketch.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 12 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 30 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Select up to next.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Now we will make this portion. Left click on front plane and choose sketch. Take Convert Entities command. Select this line.
Press OK. Now take the line command. Now take circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 40 millimeters. Distance is 50 millimeters. Diameter is 20 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Width is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations!
Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.